Welcome back. So for today's video, we're going to talk about having a side hustles, which refer to additional income streams or part-time ventures pursued alongside a person's main source of income. This particular subject is going to target more of the younger people, whether you're still in high school, college, or just trying, bring in some extra bucks. With the being said, let's jump right into. Side hustles can offer opportunities to make extra money, explore new interests, and develop valuable skills. In this video, we'll delve into various side hustle ideas that can generate additional income. From freelancing and online businesses to gig economy work and creative pursuits, we'll discuss the benefits of having a side hustle. These include financial security, diversifying income streams, pursuing passion projects, gaining new experiences, and enhancing professional development. Join us to discover exciting side hustle possibilities and unlock the potential for financial and personal growth. Here's a few pros and cons along with having a side hustle. Pros: additional income. A side hustle provides an opportunity to earn extra money and improve financial stability. Diversification. Having multiple sources of income reduces reliance on a single source, mitigating financial risks. Skill development. Side hustles allow individuals to acquire new skills and expand their knowledge base. Pursuing passions. Side hustles often involve activities individuals enjoy and are passionate about, providing a sense of fulfillment. Flexibility. Many side hustles offer flexible schedules, allowing individuals to work around their main job or other commitments. Networking opportunities. Side hustles can connect individuals with new contacts and expand their professional network. Entrepreneurial experience. Side hustles can provide a taste of entrepreneurship, allowing individuals to test business ideas and learn valuable lessons. Career advancement. Some side hustles complement existing careers and can contribute to professional growth and advancement. Creative outlet. Side hustles involving hobbies or creative pursuits provide an outlet for self-expression and personal fulfillment. Confidence boost. Successfully managing a side hustle can enhance self-confidence and provide a sense of accomplishment. Cons: time commitment. Balancing a side hustle with other responsibilities can be challenging and may require careful time management. Energy drain. Juggling multiple commitments can lead to increased stress and exhaustion. Impact on personal life. Side hustles may encroach on personal time and strain relationships if not managed effectively. Financial risks. Some side hustles come with financial investments or risks that individuals need to consider. Burnout. Taking on too much can lead to burnout, affecting overall well-being and performance. Lack of stability. Side hustles may not provide a steady income stream, and earnings can be unpredictable. Reduced leisure time. With additional work commitments, individuals may have less time for leisure activities and relaxation. Increased responsibility. Side hustles require additional responsibilities, such as marketing, customer service, and financial management. Competitive market. Depending on the chosen side hustle, individuals may face significant competition in the market. Legal and tax considerations. Running a side hustle may involve legal and tax obligations that individuals need to navigate and comply with. It's important to weigh these pros and cons and consider personal circumstances when deciding to pursue a side hustle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of the video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.